Hello, this is Shoyan, a Japanese carpenter. Today, I'll install stiles at the entrance before fixing flooring, and at the same time, I'll install stiles in front of a wood stove also. This space is for a wood stove. Its size is 1.6 meters by 1.6 meters. A wood stove will be put at the position where a fan is put now. Put tiles on white area, and put wooden flooring on joist area. I'd like to install stiles to separate these two floor materials area. As you can see, I've purchased a new saw. I had been using an old one before, but I couldn't cut timbers accurately by old one. But by new one, only after fixing the angle of the saw, I can cut timbers easily. I'm using this comfortably, and it's very quiet, so I can work without bothering neighborhood. As expected, newer is better. This style material is a standardized product. There was no available material that fits this portion, so put substrate timbers of 10mm thickness on the backside to adjust the top level of stiles. At this joint portion of the stiles, make some dents by hitting with a hammer. These dents are very small, but very important. Put wood glue on these dents and stick the stiles to each other. Then gluing these dents will work as something like dowels later. That prevents the positional shift of the stiles, so this joint will be sturdy. This white portion is made of calcium silicate board. It's something like a concrete board. For this material, I have to change the type of glue, so I put urethane glue on it. I'm using normal wood glue for the joints of stiles. To make the glue work like a dowel, I apply the glue more amount than necessary. This location is just in front of a wood stove. So whatever material I use here, shrinkage of members must happen, which causes some gaps among each member. So to prevent the kind of problem, fix the members sturdy as much as possible by fixing them with glue and screws. I drive in screws diagonally at the time of fixing stiles from side also. If you drive in screws diagonally into stiles, the stiles are pulled toward inside by screws. That prevents gaps due to shrinkage of materials. Then adjust the top level so that there is no level difference. Before completion, fix them with more screws. And just in case, drive in screws on backside also. It was very hot on this day, so I forgot to plane them for chamfers. Thus, I got to modify my manual and finish them by sandpaper after installation this time to make it soft finish. Okay, now I've completed installation of stiles around the wood stove. Let's install stiles at the entrance also. The material is the same as flooring materials, which is Japanese cypress. Its size is 120mm by 150mm. After cutting by circular saw, shave the corner roughly. This edge will penetrate the wall. That's why I have to shave the corner, not to damage by hitting by the corner. The stiles for the entrance are L-shaped, made of connected two timbers. The stile will come just beside of the entrance door sash here. It will be invisible finally after fixing the door frame. Draw the marking by measuring with a scale. To be honest, I'm not good at marking on timbers using a measurement tape. So it's necessary to check once again when I do marking using a measurement tape. It's much better for me to use a scale, never to make a mistake. Okay, let's get our joints. There is a small conflict between the stile and the girder, so I cut off the end of the stile a little bit. Cut out the top side at 45 degrees. This portion will appear, so cut it out by fine-tooth saw to make it good looking. The important point to cut timbers by manual saw is to attach your thumb on the saw and cut the timber little by little. Use your thumb as guide of the saw so that you can cut it straightly even if it's a very wide timber. Make a vertical groove at this portion. Its size is 15mm by 15mm. Okay, now the female joint is completed. This side will be the male joint to fit on the previous female one. Cut out the top side at 45 degrees as well. The previous one was female joint, so only vertical groove was required. But this one is male joint, so I have to remove a big portion by chisel to make a tenon that will fit the groove of the female joint. So it takes several times to make the male joint and the female joint. I want 15mm of the stile to overlap the girder. So cut off that portion by circular saw. The sound of flooring can be prevented by fixing the stile on the girder directly. Okay, now both joints are completed. It's a little difficult, but I think you can understand how this joint will be fixed after you see it. So let's connect them. Trial fixing is done successfully, so next fix it tightly. Apply wood glue just in case. A long time ago, we didn't use to apply wood glue for this kind of joints actually. Fix it tightly by bigger screws. We used to drive a 45-degree dowel for this joint. By that dowel, each timber presses against each other. Nowadays, we can do it by screws easily, so screw is very useful. Now, I've completed installation of stiles at stove space and entrance. In the next video, I'd like to fix flooring. That's all. Thank you for watching my video.